Alright, welcome back to video number 3 in Unreal Engine. This one's going to be a quick one. We're just going to show you how to just make your life, again, easier and show you how to just go back if you do something wrong, but also how to just clone something if you've made something that you like the look of and you need more of them. So in this kind of world that we're building, we are making a platformer. We're going to make a kind of running and jumping puzzle that is a platformer game. So let's start out by getting rid of this wall so we can open our expansive wide world up and see off into the horizon and make this level as big and as long as we like. I'm going to take this block here and this is going to be our starting platform. So let's scoot that over here and let's just drop that down. And a good way to just make sure that you're doing the right thing is test as you design or play as you design. So I'm going to position that there and we're going to just make sure I can make that first little leap. So let's press play. I'm going to turn myself around and here we go. There's my edge of my cliff and there's my first platform. Space to jump. We've made it. Game complete. 100 XP. Amazing. Now, if I kind of made a mistake or I was just kind of tweaking this and wasn't sure about the gap, I can always tap Control Z just to undo, and that will just undo my last action. A nice little quality of life thing. I can also do Control and Y to redo my last action. And that way I've got those choices when I'm designing a level, when I'm blocking something out. So now I've got my base, my first platform. I want a second platform right about here. And I could go the long way around and go right click. And have I got a copy option? There's not a copy option in here. Can I go to edit and copy? I've got edit and copy. And I could do edit and paste. And has that made 2? Yeah, that's made 2. That's a little bit slow though. So what I like to do, if I just press undo and undo, is just choose the object I want to clone, make 2 of, hold down my Alt key, and then grab one of these move handles and just clone it. Alt, grab a move handle, and that will clone the object that you've got selected. Let's press play again. And now I can spin myself around and do a jump and do another jump and do another jump and do another jump. There you go, level 2 complete. I am an expert. Fabulous. You'll notice when I press escape, when it takes me back out of gameplay mode, back out of testing mode, it takes me back into the editor in the last position that my character was. So I was on this platform when I pressed escape, and now I'm over here when I escape that gameplay mode. Just something worth bearing in mind. If I was to play the game, and I'm like, oh, okay, let's do this jump, and let's do this jump, and let's do this jump, and let's do this jump. Oh, I've fallen off the world. Oh no, game over. Only way to get out of this is just to tap escape, and the game kind of ends. But because when I come back into the editor, I was in the last place that my character was, I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere because I've fallen out of the world. A nice, quick and easy way to get back to where you were is to select something in the outliner that you know exists in your level design. So if I just click, I don't know, one of these cubes up here, hover over the viewport and tap F, that will fly me back to the part of the level where the action is, basically. Cool. That's very quickly how you clone things, how you undo things, how you fly around by selecting an object and tap F, and that works not just when you've kind of fallen out of the world, but works at your convenience as well. Awesome. On to the next video.